before installing the WP Marketer plugin on your WordPress site, you're going to want to extract the file that it came in, and you just use your default extraction. Usually extract all is the command on that with a right click on the file. You want to be sure and read the README file that's in there. It has some important information on using the plugin. And below that there's the file that you'll actually upload to your WordPress site. So at this point, in order to install that, we're going to go over to Plugins and select Add New. Then we're going to go up to the Upload option, click on that, and then we're going to browse for the file, and you'll go to the same location that you extracted that file from earlier. And then we're going to, once we get there, we're going to select that and then go ahead and upload it. I'm going to install it at this point. Plugin is installed. Now all we need to do is click this link to activate it. And there we go, plugin is activated, all ready to go for you.